So we're going to be working on a chain. The way I do a chain, well, everyone does a chain, is yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. A lot of times it's going to tell you to make a chain of 12, 20, 30, 70. So you'll just follow the pattern on that. I'm just going to make a chain of like 8, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. And I do move my fingers down as I'm going. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. And yes, it does happen where it slips off the hook sometimes, and that's totally fine. You just pick it back up where you left. And that's a chain.